Hi, today I have a very interesting and unique locks for you guys. It's locks on these two saving box, coin box, piggyback banks. I don't know how to call them. It's they're old ones, and yeah, this kind of locks, this kind of piggy banks. First time I saw them here in Sweden. So they're pretty interesting old one, and they have a different models. This is they have even a plastic one. This is all metal, and this kind of locks. I do not have a key, but I will put one of the sample on the screen, so you can see the key, how it looks like and how it operates. You need to put it the legs between this moving part, this part, and yeah, because it's a coined box, the idea is to put the coins inside. This 10 crown Swedish coin, so you put the coin and it goes inside, and the idea is you cannot remove it. I will show you the mechanism for this kind of lock. This I already pre-removed the bottom part, so here's that mechanism. So it's automatically locking the when it's opposite side, when it's upside down, it's blocking this part, so you cannot remove a coin. So it's pretty simple coin box, nothing special, but pretty unique and interesting one. Sorry. And this is, I think it says something like agricultural saving central bank central box or something like that. I think this is agricultural. Here's interesting logo on this one. So yeah, because there are lever locks, I already disassembled one. I just want to show you how it looks and how I was able to pick this lever locks. So this one, even if they're the same or they look the same, the locking mechanism is different. This one is with 3 levers, as you can see on the top, and this one is with only one, but on both sides. So you need to pick it like left and right side. For this one, you only need to pick one side, because it's, yeah, I will show you why. This is the locking mechanism. So these two, let's say, wings needs to be retracted, and yeah, the tension is, I will do it with this kind of this is a dimple pick. So in general, I am putting it like here and pressure it and trying to tension it like this part. One of them doesn't matter on which side, so you can see some marks here, like when I was trying to pick it. Yeah, this was like I needed to drill out so I can show you and disassemble one of them. So these are the levers. Pretty interesting one with one spring on each side. So this is the third one, the one nearest to the closest to the locking mechanism. So this is how it's go in, and on this side you can see, I wanted to show you this one. I will lock it now. So that's how it's locking, and there is no false gate on this side on the first lever, but on the second one you can see the false gate. So if you over tension it or over pick, you can be on that position, so you cannot open it, you will be stuck. And the third one is without the false gate. So yeah, this is how it's look like, how it's how this part is going on the middle. So you can see the wings, and I'm usually this one I'm tensioning on this side. From this, it's easier for me, and I find it pretty easy to pick this lock. So this is how it was so I need to align the pin. So I drill out this one so I can show you the same thing I did on this one too. So both of them are can be disassembled. So this is the how to show you how these work, and when I pick the second one I will show you how, and I will disassemble it and show you the second mechanism. Even they're the same in my opinion. They were I was surprised when I tried to pick them first time, so I was like, this is strange. You can, yeah, I felt different mechanisms. So yeah, but when I opened them I saw that they're totally different. So yeah, I did one strange thing. So I already assembled this in a locked position, so I'm going to try to pick this one in hand without the box, and I will pick this one. I think this is the open one. I need to first to close it, but yeah, as I mentioned, I'm going to put this tension tool, this pick / tension tool here. Let me rotate it just you can see my attempt picking this one. So it's harder without the box, but yeah, I did a stupid mistake, so I'm going to do it like this. And for the picking I'm going to use yeah, this Chinese pick. So I'll start for this one. I will try to pick the first lever from that side. Doesn't matter, this is the one that it's usually how it. So I think I pick the first one, or maybe not. The tricky thing for this lock is to tension it, so that's the hardest thing to do. So I heard a click on that side too, so let me try to, yeah, I think I heard something moving, so let me try to, yeah, I bent my pick, so yeah. Let me check if I still nothing. Yeah, now it's, so now you can see I can retract this one. So that was the first, and the second one is automatically retracted. So that was the first, this one. So I will not make the same mistake and just put it inside and I will lock it. So I need, sorry for hitting the camera, I will lock the box. Yeah, now it's locked. So that was the first one, and the second one, as I mentioned, it's already, as you can see, I don't know if you can see, but it's already picked. Let me show you what I mean. So because it's a dent, it's not going. Here's the 10 crowns. So here's that it's unlocked, so we're going to lock it now. I need to push this. I think you can see this one. These are the, so yeah, you can see on the half, and now it's pushed fully one side and the second side. Come on, I'll try to show you the second side too. You can see I don't know if you can see, but this is the, now you heard click. So now if I try to remove the cover, it's impossible to remove it. So the second, for this second one I will use this, yeah, homemade pick, like deep hook, because I need to move the the springs, and I will use the same tensioning tool. So the easiest way to do it like this, so you can see. And I move that lever. Yeah, I don't know if you can see, but the first side is done. I think you can see that part, and now it's the second one. So I think, come on, this one. Come on, focus. So I need to, I think, yeah, it's yeah, I think now it's, let me check. Yeah, now I can remove the cover, and I can get my 10 Swedish crowns. Yeah, they're like €1, I think. Yeah, so let me now try to disassemble this one. So the screws, first one and the second one. And here's the second mechanism. It's completely different than the first one. The only thing this interesting sound is that, and the only thing that it's holding, it's that this spring. So like no levers, only springs. So the idea is I was just doing tensioning and pushing this part. And for the second one, you need to do it for the second one. So pushing it, tensioning from here, and just pushing this one and this spring, and that's how easy you can open this kind of piggy banks, saving box, coin box. I don't know what is their real name. So yeah, guys, that was the two unique and interesting saving box picked and got it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.